This is the ZBI brand Rose Gold Compact Mirror. It comes in a really cute gift box that I will show you right now. Here's the gift box. The gift box has two little handles and a pull-out tab. Let's take a look inside. Inside the box is some simple white string confetti and the rose gold compact mirror. On the outside of the compact, it says, "To my beautiful daughter, never forget that I love you forever." And there are some vines on the left and right. And the back is just simple rose gold. Pushing this little button pops it open. And on the inside of the compact, there are two mirrors. The top one is a normal mirror, and the bottom one is a little bit of a close-up mirror. It's very nice, very simple, and my daughter loves it for her handbag. Thanks for listening and watching my video. This is the ZBI brand Rose Gold Compact Mirror as a gift for a daughter.